Manjunath Upadhyay wants to know your opinion about the dividend reinvestment plans of mutual funds.
I would advise against investing in dividend reinvestment plans for their tax inefficiency. That's because in a dividend reinvestment plan, whatever dividend is announced by a fund from time to time does not hit the bank account of an investor, but it is automatically reinvested in the units of the same fund. So the investor ends up getting more units worth the dividend amount of the same fund. Now, what happens in this round tripping is that an investor does not get any dividend in hand and yet ends up paying taxes on it. So at the time of filing the income tax return, the dividend is added to the income of the investor and it is taxed as per the slab system. So clearly the growth option should be a preferred mode for most investors. Now, if we get into the weeds, one can really pull out a limited use case for, say, someone who is below the threshold level of taxable income. So for such an individual, the dividends would become tax-free, and because over a long term, the subsequent dividend reinvestments hopefully happen at higher NAVs. So that in effect has the effect of reducing the accumulated gains and therefore lowers the capital gains tax liability when eventually the investor redeems these units. But then again, there is a downside to it, which is that the dividend reinvestments happen after deducting the TDS if the dividend amount is more than 5,000 rupees, and there's an opportunity loss associated with it. And secondly, you also end up converting your long-term capital gains into short-term capital gains. So I'd say that by and large, dividend reinvestment plans should be avoided by investors.